You know, I was thinking, there's another option. There's another camera that we can get. It's a clear lens glasses. It's
Yes.
glasses.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
Yeah, I used to get them on eBay. I wonder if Jessica's still got the one I gave her. I'll probably just go and take the one I gave her.
Why did she? What, you told her to go and record someone?
No, she just bought it because I had them. I bought a few of them and I sold them off to people.
And then you can download it straight into your computer and whatnot.
Yeah, it takes a SD card, so you just take out your SD card, stick in your computer and transfer your videos.
Ah, but does it have a light on it?
It doesn't need a light.
Oh, because what you can see.
It's seeing what you're seeing.
Yeah, that's.
So what you're looking at directly is what it's looking at.
Yes, that's just
And
okay.
they're HD cameras as well, so the quality is quite good. Mildred is going to be lost without me right now, boy. She's on her own, innit?
Oh yeah. See there, it's nice, snug. Done. You put the brackets on.
So, no, it can't go there because the oven has to sit flush. That one there. Screws don't match. Where's the screws that came with this one?